interrupted by the MSV CR120 CLR400 DLL pop-up. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll show you the professional recovery for your system packages. Before we get into the manual guide for MSV CR120 CLR400, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This DLL file is an updated C Runtime component for the .NET framework. It provides the essential logic needed for .NET applications to perform low-level math and memory operations via the Visual C++ 2013 engine. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. To restore the library correctly, you should perform a manual refresh of Microsoft Visual C++. Visit the Microsoft Download Center, secure the x86 and x64 versions of the latest Visual C++ redistributables, and run both installers. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the MSV CR120 CLR400 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Installing an unverified version of the MSV CR120 CLR400 DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing the MSV CR120 CLR400 references. If your workstation is back online and the MSV CR120 CLR400 is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.